Hey Tech Explorers! Welcome back to another exciting episode on Tech Explorer. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz around the highly anticipated Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news and reviews. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. The Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro features a sleek and modern design with a glass front and back, and an aluminum frame. It comes in a striking black color with customizable Anime Vision mini LEDs on the back, allowing you to express your unique style. The design is not just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality. The ROG Phone 9 Pro is designed to be ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Plus, it boasts an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, ensuring durability. Next up, let's talk about the display. The Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro features a large 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels. This display promises vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and everything in between. With a refresh rate of up to 185 Hz, you can expect buttery smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This processor is designed to deliver top-notch performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running demanding applications. It's a significant upgrade from its predecessor, ensuring that the ROG Phone 9 Pro can handle anything you throw at it with ease. Now, let's dive into the camera system. The Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro features a triple camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, a 13MP ultrawide camera, and a 5MP macro camera. The front camera is a 32MP sensor, optimized for selfies and video calls. Moving on to memory and storage, the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro comes with multiple configurations. You can choose from 16GB or 24GB of RAM, paired with 512GB or 1TB of internal storage. This flexibility ensures that you have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos, and the RAM options mean you can pick the right performance level for your needs. Battery life is always a crucial factor, and the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro doesn't disappoint. It's expected to pack a 5800 mAh battery, which should easily last you through a full day of heavy use. And when you do need to recharge, the 65W wired charging will get you back up and running in no time. Plus, there's 15W wireless charging support for added convenience. Let's not forget the extra features that make the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro stand out. It includes an in-display fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access. The phone also supports 5G connectivity, ensuring you have the fastest internet speeds available. Other features include dual stereo speakers for an enhanced audio experience, air-trigger ultrasonic buttons for customizable gaming controls, and the latest ROG UI based on Android 15. So, there you have it, folks. The Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro is shaping up to be an impressive gaming powerhouse with top-of-the-line features. From its stunning design and powerful display to its versatile camera system and robust battery life, this phone has a lot to offer. What are your thoughts on the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy.